What if you could visit the other side, the afterlife? Would you go? And who would you want to meet? And what would you say to them? For a small fee, Bon Voyage Services will send you to the other side for 20 Earth minutes. And that is the story of our film. No wonder we've called it 20 Minutes in Heaven. Most people go to find departed loved ones. They want to say, I miss you, or I'm sorry, or I love you. Some just want to meet famous dead people. Our hero, Peter, needs to find his recently deceased battle axe of a mother and beg her to appear to his heartbroken father, maybe in a dream, and for once, just be nice to him. Okay, he also wants to ask her for the password to her secret bank account that would save the family from total ruin. So there you have it. This is the second film in our series called The Wake Up Project. Wake up from what? We all know that this life on Earth is very short. So why aren't we talking more about what happens next? Things like, isn't that our real home? Stuff like that. If you like our project, please help. If you like it a lot, please help get the word out there. We'd love to have you on board. Thanks so much, and see you around. How was that?